we're cooking our sausage. This is the way I do it. You can do it any way you want, but I'm steaming this sausage. I'm going to steam it 5 minutes on each side, so it's about 10 minutes. And then we're going to set it off to the side and let it sit for an hour and cool down. So this is the way, I'm telling you, this is the best way to cook this sausage. 10 minutes, voila. All right, I'm going to caramelize my onions, and the pan is coated with avocado oil because it has a high burn rate. So let's just toss those guys in there and start working those around a little bit. Here we go. Okay, now that we have our onions about caramelized, they'll cook some more and we'll get everything else started here. We'll put in our peppers, red and green. Now, you know, this green pepper was green yesterday when I picked it up. And now it's not. It turned on me really quick. But anyway, it's still crisp. It still tastes good. So we're adding it to the mix. I'm trying not to make too much noise with the scraping here. I'll change this out. So that was making a lot of noise. All right, and as you can see, I'm using a cast iron skillet. I like cooking with a cast iron skillet. Won't hurt to throw a little Italian seasoning in there. There we go. Get it all mixed together. We're just going to let that go, and I'm going to move over to the sausage and show you how we do that. I'm going to take off the casing, and we let these sit for an hour after we steam them, just so it maintains some of that fat. It coagulates. Yeah, so, okay, using a serrated bread knife, I like to cut them at an angle. Like I said, about bite size, that should do it right there. And I'll cut all these up, and we can throw them back in the pan and finish cooking. All right, time to add the sausage and cook those up. You'll just keep cooking that until everything is ready. Add a little salt and add a little pepper. A little pepper makes the world go round. And a little more. One more. There we go. I do like my pepper. Yes, indeed. Okay. Mix that up again. Okay, last thing I am going to introduce is the garlic. I'm going to put some garlic in there because garlic is good and it's good for you. And the reason I add that in at the very last is because garlic will tend to burn if you cook it too long on that skillet. So just going to mix it in there. Make sure it's all on everything. And then our dish is done. And here we are. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. I'm going to have to sneak a little piece of this right now. Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. I get the thumbs up. Well, thanks for watching. Enjoy, and give us a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you, and have a wonderful, blessed day.